Hi everyone, this is Ms. Farba. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to add input and output devices in my canvas. So let's begin. First you have to make a line in the center of the canvas. So you have to go to 2D shapes and then select a line here and then go to the canvas in the middle of the canvas, click and drag it down. Once you are done making a line, then you have to click on this tick button. If you are done making a line, then you have to write down input device on one side and output device on the other side. In order to write something, you have to select the text option from the top. Then a window will appear on the right hand side. Here you have to select the 2D text option. Then you have to click on the left hand side and then there will be a text box appearing. Start writing input devices in the text box. I will be adding input devices on the left side and output devices on the right side. So use these dotted lines and drag the text box. Done. Then you have to go select a 2D text again, add on the right hand side, write down output devices, space, devices. You can use your keyboard and then once you're done typing it, click on these dotted lines and drag it anywhere on your canvas. I'll put it at the top. Okay, once you are done setting it, just click anywhere and then it will be saved. Let's set the input devices and the output devices. For this, you have to go to 3D library and search for the devices in the search bar. I have already written mouse. For you, you have to go and let me quickly show you. You have to go to the 3D library, erase anything if anything is written on the search bar, and then write it from the beginning. Mouse is M-O-U-S-E. A mouse gives the signals to the computer and tells the computer what to do. That's why it is an input device. We will go down and we will search for a computer mouse. Once we add it, you can see that it's not a 3D view. So for that, you have to use this flip on the x-axis and drag it down a little. When you keep moving your mouse down, then you can see that how it looks like. Once you are done with this, then just click on the middle and drag it a little. Then use the corners to make the size small. The size of your devices can be adjusted by using these four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to place the whole object somewhere, then you must go in the center and then move it anywhere in the canvas. So I'm going to place a mouse in my input devices. Once I'm done with this position, then we have to click on the canvas so that it will be sticked here. Then go back to 3D library, click on the search bar, use the backspace to erase the mouse, and this time write down keyboard. The spellings are very important. If you write a wrong spelling, then the keyboard will not be searched. Press enter once you write the whole spelling. You can see a white keyboard here. I will add it. Look at this. It looks like a white big line. So we need to adjust its 3D view. For that you have to go to flip on the x-axis and drag it down until you see a keyboard clearly, the keys clearly. Okay, let's make it small using these corners and then place it, go in the middle of the object and place it in the input devices section. Okay, now this is a white color keyboard and the canvas is also white, so it's not easy to see it. For that you have to go to the edit color option. Keep selecting the keyboard, go to edit color option on your right hand side and then you can make it any color that is visible. Okay, I'm all set. Now I will click anywhere on the screen so that it will be saved. Go back to 3D library. Now select output devices. Monitor is an output device because it shows our work. Whatever we are doing, it will be shown on the screen in the monitor. So you have to go write the monitor in the search bar, press enter. You can find two monitors here. We can select any one, then use these corners to make it small or big. Once you are done adjusting the size, go to the middle of the object and place it on the other side in the output devices section. Okay, click anywhere on the screen. The objects are pasted when you click anywhere on the canvas. Go back to 3D library, click on the search bar. One more output device is a printer because a printer gives a printout of any picture, any document. So something is coming out of the system, the computer system. That's why it's an output device. We will select a printer. We have to adjust the size using the corners and then go in the middle, place it in the output devices portion. So this is how we are going to make a simple poster that tells us what are input devices and what are output devices. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.